guys, a warm welcome to all of you in this channel. I am going to tell you about how to start your English speaking skills practices. So this is English spoken is not going to too tough for you. You can easily do that. And what is the thing that you need to remember for it when you start with start with speaking? So you know what, the first thing and to learn English is not too tough. Okay, it is very easy. You know what, we know that we love our Hindi language, we know the Hindi language, we proud of the Hindi language, but you know that this is now every work, most of the work has been going to transform into the English. There everyone working the online, and to work online you must know about the English. Okay, you must know about the basics of English, how to use it, how to talk with someone. Okay, because you have to talk with someone, your client could be in another country people, so you have to must know about the how I can communicate with them. Okay, so for the communication, it is now our essential thing that we need to study. We need to study and we need to practice this skill. Okay, so you have to practice. Yeah, practice is the important thing in this part, but what else that we need to think about it, how I can imagine without translating Hindi to English or whatever the language my native, I can without translating I can speak. Okay, this is what very important. So how I can remove this translation Hindi to English or another language into the English, so without translation how can I speak? So first thing, you need to improve your observation. Observation is very important, and you should every time think about it. Whenever you read whatever the content comes in front of you, you just see that and you start realizing it, how I can speak in this way, how can I speak this way. जैसे आपने एक पैराग्राफ पढ़ा, when you read this one paragraph and you should remember that how I can improve this paragraph in English, how I can speak in this paragraph in English. So when you start to speaking in this way, then you creating an image in your thoughts, and you जैसे कि मैं बात कर रही हूँ इस तरीके से इंग्लिश में ना, तो इस तरीके से आपको इसे ऑब्जर्व करना है कि इमेजिनेशन क्रिएट करनी है अपनी माइंड में. ठीक है, जैसे कि sometimes some incidents are happening in front of you. When you see that, just start observing that what I speak in English. Okay, what can I speak in English? And then in this way you started to coming your English started to coming in your brain, and you just know about this language. And when you do not know about the vocabulary of this word, then you start searching of this vocabulary, and this way you can learn. This is how you can learn. Okay, and another thing is that very important, observation is important and speaking is important. And when you start speaking in front of someone, then someone is when you make a mistake, then they can laugh on you. Okay, because if this has happened, this is naturally, if you speak something loud, then people can laugh on you. How you can speak in this way? We don't know how to speak in English, then why are you speaking? This is the common people question that they are asking. But yeah, you can say that I am speaking, this is not my native language, I am just learning. So if I make mistakes, okay, it's perfectly fine. Okay, do not need to bother about it. Okay, yeah. So and yeah, please remember that they are not laughing on you, they are laughing in themselves. Okay, because they don't know English, and that is why they are very conscious about that how you can speak in English. Okay, so they are very conscious, they are laughing on themselves, you are not laughing on yourself. Okay, they are not laughing on yourself. So you just do not need to care about all these people that they are laughing on you. Just be continuous on your practice. And the thing is that, yeah, the clarity is very important, how much you clear about what you want to speak. Okay, you know what, when you start speaking in English, you just forget the you have the clarity of the sentences. For sentence construction is very important. So first of all, to make the sentence construction, it is very important that you have some idea that what I am going to speak. Okay, just I am going to speak in this way, so I know what I want to speak. Okay, so that is why if you know about what you want to speak, so the clarity is very important. The clarity if you have, then you know about what I speak in English. Okay, if you forget that what you want to speak, then you come in your native language and then you speak in this way. So this is very vulnerable things. Okay, so you have to clarity in your, and how clarity comes from the meditation. Yes, meditation. And you know that why I am coming in the meditation from the English to Hindi translation, and then okay, so this is very important. But yeah, seriously, this is very important. Meditation is the key factor that comes in your brain, and they give you a clarity of these things. Okay, whatever you do the whole day, you will get a clarity in your brain that how I work, how much I concentrate about my work. And you know what, to make a good healthy person, as a the meditation playing a very important role in our life. You all know that the lifestyle going to be changed, and we are going to be very unhealthy foods, and we are taking very unhealthy things. So these are very, not good for our health. So we have to take meditation for this. That keeps you in your brain, and you 20-15 minutes are very enough for the meditation in the morning. You can do it whatever the time you set for yourself. You can just start your meditation, and it will create, it will comes a great effect in you when you realize it, when you do it. Okay, so I really personally I do that, and I believe this meditation will really definitely will help me a lot, and this will really drastically change in my life. I can say that, because yeah, really, if you do that, you will feel that there is very positive vibes that come in your brain, and you will know about the positive things, and you start thinking about positive direction. So you get through easily, you can get through what you want to achieve in your life. Okay, so you, for this thing, you should definitely follow it. And yeah, so when the meditation has come in your life, and you will see that the clarity of the thoughts, so you start to preparing, definitely you go to continuously, you started practicing it. And when you do practice, you definitely you speak English very good. So yeah, how you started? First of all, you have what you should watch. Okay, I will tell you about this. This is very important, please listen carefully. So you should watch the very simple shows, like if someone is, their native language is Hindi, and they are started speaking English, so you have to watch those channels. Okay, so because they are speaking very simple language in English, because they are using very simple words to express themselves, and so you can learn from them. Okay, you are not going to watch at very related to American shows or any Japanese shows or any kind of shows that is going to be, they are putting in English content, and then you are watching it and you didn't understand, then your understanding will be zero. So what you do, if you watch this kind of videos, do not do it. Okay, please stop these things. You will never learn the English, how to learn it. Okay, the first thing to learn English is very important to watch very simple videos that they put in English. Whatever the content they are putting, they are speaking, if they are themselves, they are speaking in other topics of physics or chemistry or maths, they are another topic they are talking, or they are talking, they are talking with another social issues. Whatever the topic they have, just you just have to watch it. Okay, when you observe it, you know about the different topics. How can I express myself in this way? And you will observe it. Okay, so you first of all, you have to watch those kind of channels, such type of channels. They are putting in English content, and with their native language is Hindi, so they are very putting very slow kind of videos. And slow means that they are very putting a very simple, using Hindi, English to Hindi translation. I mean, they are not using a very high level language. Okay, then they are not using very high level vocabularies. So they are using very simple vocabularies, and with this they can express themselves. So you can use those things, and you can learn those things very easily. So first of all, you learn that how to construct the sentences, how to speak it. Okay, in this way. So when you start to learn these small things, then you will understand first of all. Then you should go to the TED Talks. TED Talks is the world best, so I can say that, because this is really a good people has come there, share their views, how to do their life, and there was this is really wonderful show. I can say that you have to definitely watch it if you are learning in English. So you have to watch it. And you know what, आप दिन में 1-2 बार कभी भी उसे देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा शो है. तो वॉट, आपको फिक्स करना हो टाइम, जो 20 मिनट्स और 30 मिनट्स की वीडियोस होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी नहीं होते हैं, तो आप इजीली उनको देख सकते हैं. एंड देन यू गो टू द podcast also. Podcast is also very this time is going to be very trendy book, but you know what, they has a lot of putting efforts on that podcast, and that's why podcast is really going to be very easy to understand. Yes, आप किसी भी काम को कर सकते हैं. पॉडकास्ट आपने अपने जो है हेडफोन में लगा लिया, और आप अपना काम कर रहे हैं, और आप लर्न भी कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश. So in this way you can learn with the help of podcast. Okay, so that is why I used podcast to learning. So this is very help improving. Spotify एक podcast है, आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कोई और भी podcast है, so आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो this will be, you can learn English very fastly. This is the way. And yeah, you have to read 1 book or 2 books. You can follow it, any books that is going to be really motivated. you should start following it. But there is language is very simple, you know it, okay? Because if you learn a very high level vocabularies are there in this book, so you will not interested in this book, okay? And you, whenever you read one paragraph or two paragraph, you have to just start creating image on your brain, okay? You have to create image, and then you will really think about it, that how I can speak in this way. So this way help you definitely to improve your English. And when you do a lot of practices to improving this, so this will definitely going to help you. So I hope these things, if you definitely followed it, then you will definitely speak in English in one day. Because this is not too easy to say that, because you should just go through the different channels and to watch it, how I can learn, and you didn't do it practicing it, so you never learn it, okay? So you have to make your mindset that I want to learn it, and I just want to follow one channel, and I am just going through with this channel, and just I am going to learn it, okay? No matter what people think about it and other things that they are talking with you, please watch this channel also, this is very important, this is good, and please watch this. No, do not need to bother about it any other channels. Just focus on one channel, that is enough for you. Just repeatedly seeing those videos and practicing it. It is very important how much you practice it more, and how much you observing your way, that how I can speak, okay? This is very important, that how you learn, okay? That's how you learn, that's how you practicing it. So if you followed it, then it will work for you. If you didn't followed it, then it will not going to work for you. So you have to think about yourself, that what you want. If you want to learn it, so you have to follow these steps, okay? So follow it now, start now practicing it, and you will definitely learn one day. So this will gradually happens when you see that your growth will have come in the steady medium. This is not going to be very high at the one level that you think about it, that I will learn one day very fastly. I just learn 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 3 sentences, 4 sentences, I learn it, and then you forget 2 or 3 days, you missed out. So and then after that you again practicing it. So this will not going to help you. Just be continuously practice it, and you will definitely achieve your goals. So definitely you will learn English. So thank you so much, viewers. We will be meet soon in the next day. Thank you so much.